Hi, I'm Helen Sharp from the Knitting School in Seattle. Today I'm back working with the Garter Bar to show you how to decrease across a row. This is something that you might do when knitting a yoke sweater, for example. Can you see where the decreases are in between the bands of pattern? Here's one, here's another. Every fifth needle there's a decrease. And then between this band here and then here, it looks like they get closer together every third or fourth needle. And then here's the next one, every third needle. So if you were wanting to do all of those decreases without the use of a garter bar, you would have to make all of your transfers and then laboriously move all of the stitches into the center of the needle bed until there were no more empty needles. It's probably a 15-20 minute job to do one course of decreases like that. With a garter bar, it still takes some time, but probably more like 5-10 minutes. So it's definitely worth a bit of time learning how to do that with a garter bar. To adjust the needle stopper so that it fits your machine, bring your needles forward to holding position and put the needle stopper on so that it encloses the needle butts and the gate pegs. You can see this one is a bit loose right now, so I'm going to undo these screws and squeeze the pieces together till you've got a nice snug fit, and then tighten up the screws again. So I'm at the point where I want to start my decreases. So first thing is to bring all the needles forward to holding position. So I'm going to hook into the needles with the garter bar and then pull all the fabric onto the prongs of the garter bar. I'm gonna put the needle stopper on, and then because I'm going to decrease every fifth needle, I'm going to slide the first 5 needles on the left back onto the machine needles, so they're just inside the hooks. And then I'm going to lift up the garter bar and move it one space to the left so I overlap that 5th needle, and then move 5 more needles back onto the machine. Lift up, move one space to the left, and then 5 more. So I'm just having to scrape them on with my fingernail here. And now I'm just repeating that all the way along. And then here's the last one. Oops, just dropped it. I'll just pick that one up by hand. Take off the needle stopper, push the empty needles out of work, push the fabric back, and then carry on knitting. I hope you enjoyed that short video. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel.